The formation of the Himalayas, one of the most dramatic geological events in Earth's history, occurred around 4 to 5 million years ago. This vast mountain range, which includes some of the world's highest peaks, came into existence when the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates collided, forcing the land to buckle and rise. This tectonic activity, which continues to this day, is a key reason behind the ongoing elevation of the Himalayas. Yet, beyond this powerful geological force, new research is shedding light on another contributing factor to the region's rise: the dynamic influence of the Arun River as it carves through the Himalayan landscape. Recent studies by a research team at University College London, UCL, have uncovered that the Arun River, particularly as it traverses the Himalayas, is playing a more active role in the elevation process than previously understood. The researchers found that as the river drains material from the Earth's crust, it alleviates pressure on the mantle, the layer beneath the Earth's crust. This reduction in pressure triggers a process known as isostatic rebound. In simple terms, isostatic rebound is a natural response where the Earth's surface rises due to the lighter load above, similar to how a surface might spring back when weight is lifted from it. This isostatic rebound is contributing to the rise of the Himalayas, enhancing the elevation of not only Mount Everest, but also neighboring peaks like Lhotse and Makalu. The study, published in Nature Geoscience, reveals that this rebound is happening faster than erosion, a process that typically wears down mountains over time. Dr. Matthew Fox, one of the study's authors, explains that the uplift caused by isostatic rebound is occurring at a rate of approximately 2 millimeters per year. This rate, while seemingly small, is significant when considered over geological timescales and has been confirmed through precise GPS measurements. It suggests that the Arun River's role is more than just shaping the surface, it is actively contributing to the growing height of these massive peaks. The Arun River itself originates in the Tibetan Plateau, winding its way through the Himalayan mountains before merging with the Kosi River, which eventually flows into the Ganges and on to the Bay of Bengal. Over the course of its journey, the Arun gains strength, particularly after capturing another water system in Tibet about 89,000 years ago, a relatively recent event in geological time. This river capture allowed the Arun to significantly increase its erosive power, enabling it to cut through large amounts of rock, mud, and other materials, thus deepening its channel as it flows. This activity not only shapes the river's path, but also contributes to the uplift of the surrounding ridges and mountains. The researchers believe this interaction between the Arun's erosive forces and the underlying mantle pressure plays a crucial role in the ongoing growth of the Himalayas. While tectonic activity remains the primary driver of the Himalayas' formation and elevation, this research highlights the powerful influence of river systems like the Arun in the complex interplay of forces that continue to shape this region. The study also suggests that the ongoing rise of Mount Everest and nearby peaks is not just a relic of ancient tectonic forces, but part of a dynamic process that is still evolving today. The combination of erosion, mantle dynamics, and isostatic rebound provides a more nuanced understanding of how Earth's highest peaks continue to rise. We hope you found this content insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.